In this YouTube tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust your full screen settings for a better viewing experience on your mobile device. I'll demonstrate how to fix this using one of my videos, but the same steps apply to any video on YouTube. First, let me show you an example. When I open this video, you can see that it has black bars on the left and right sides. This is because the video's aspect ratio doesn't perfectly match your phone's screen. Fortunately, there are two easy solutions to fix this. Solution 1, pinch to zoom. You can manually zoom in on the video to fill the screen. To do this, simply use your fingers to pinch and zoom on the video. This will crop a bit of the video from the top and bottom, but it will eliminate those black bars on the sides and make the video fill your entire screen. If you prefer to have your videos automatically fill the screen without having to pinch and zoom each time, here's how you can adjust your settings. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the app settings. In the settings menu, tap on the general option at the top. Find the option labeled Zoom to Fill Screen and make sure it's enabled. When this option is turned on, every video you watch will automatically fill the screen, eliminating those black bars on the sides. Now, if I go back and open any video, you'll see that it's automatically zoomed in to fit the whole screen without the black bars. For more helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to check out the playlist linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.